Some teams have too much conflict. Others don't have enough healthy opposition to encourage innovation and creativity. While opposition can be productive, if things turn personal, it can trigger conflict. Your conflict sequence is your response to threats to your motives or values. Conflict is a sign that something important to you is not right, and there's an opportunity to make it right. What you do in conflict can be best understood as an attempt to restore your dignity and get back to feeling good about yourself. A conflict sequence is a series of changes in motives when things are not going well. While your MVS dot represents a system of 3 motives, blue, red, and green, working together at the same time, your conflict sequence shows your motives in 3 stages as conflict gets worse. These motives feel different in conflict. Blue wants to accommodate, red wants to assert, and green wants to analyze. Even though everyone has all 3 motives in their conflict sequence, they may experience them in a different order. Some people have red first, some green, while others have blue first. Your conflict sequence describes the way you respond when people or things you care about are at risk. The SDI shows your conflict sequence as an arrowhead. The location on the SDI triangle indicates the order that you experience each motive. Your conflict sequence arrowhead is connected to your MVS dot by a line. The longer the line, the easier it is to notice when conflict starts, especially if the dot and arrowhead are in different colors. There are 13 possible conflict sequences. Each one shows the way motives change in 3 stages. Your highest number is your first stage of conflict. Middle number, second stage. And the lowest number is your third stage. As you go through the stages of your conflict sequence, your focus and energy narrows. In stage 1, you focus on what you want, what others want, and the problem. In stage 2, your focus narrows to yourself and your view of the problem. The other person goes out of focus. In stage 3, it's all about self-preservation. Even the problem is out of focus. When you are in conflict, there is one goal: to resolve conflict and get back to feeling good about yourself. To resolve conflict, you need to find your way back to your MVS.